Okay, so this is Andrew Jeffers. We're doing the second video of applying for an Australian business number for an individual. So what we've done there is we've put in there the Aussie tax time tax agent's registration number, which you're welcome to use. You're also welcome not to do it for yourself. By using that, you can get on our list. So it's just pretty simple. We put in the details. I'm going to put in my details, folks. I won't give away my age because then you'll see how it's going 1980, which is not true, by the way. Male, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go next. So you're going to put your tax file number in, peeps. Address, okay, so Aussie Tax Time headquarters, Hunter Street, Sydney, New South Wales 2000. So is this postal? Yeah, we'll keep the postal address the same. Now, what you do is you put your own address in there, please. What is the individual sole trader email address? So aj@aussietaxtime.com. Okay, we can whack in a phone number 0423. Actually, just put in Aussie Tax Time phone number 91148544. Email address info@aussietaxtime.com. Languages, if you've got more languages, put it there. And look, here's an interesting thing. If you've got more contacts, so when the tax department actually talk to you, if you've put another person on there, either your accountant or your spouse. So I'm going to put my wife down, position held wife. So if you put this person down, it allows the tax department to speak to that person on your behalf. Now, as the tax agent, then we can talk to people on your behalf. But if you're a husband and wife team, or you've got a business partner, or you've got an accountant that is in-house, you would want to put their name down here. Otherwise, you don't have to put an extra person. No more contacts. Let's go. Right. Why? Okay, so new business, change of business. So we're going to put new business. What is, okay, so they're trying to assess whether or not you've got prior experience in business. So just be honest. Whatever you do, you need to be honest. Now look, here's an interesting thing. You can actually backdate the ABN from when you started. So if you've made a mistake and you want to try and clean it up, then you need to register from the first date that you gave that invoice. So let's say that we did it on the 1st of August 2012, so that's fine. Now, we're going to also throw in here, let's register for GST. You can't register for GST for before you started the business. Okay? Do you have more locations? So we're going to say no. If you got more locations, you have to put in the word. Why do they ask this question? Well, it's got something to do with stamp duty, and it's got something to do with the basis of your operations. So you're best to put whatever the truth is. Always put the truth, people. Always put the truth. And try and be clear in your communication. What is the main... Okay, so we're going to say... we're going to say other services, which is accounting. And does the individual operate an agricultural business? Reason why they ask this question is because there are different rules and regulations in regard to agricultural businesses. If you have an agricultural business, you're outside the box, you need to give us a call at Aussie Tax Time. Okay, so we're now at the final declaration stage. Now, I'm not going to fill this, guys, because I actually don't need a ABN at the moment. But that is how you go about putting together an application for your ABN for an individual. I hope that has been very helpful, and please, if you need some help, contact us at Aussie Tax Time. Thanks very much for your time.